Hey, twist over, bottle new on loyalty plus and lineup.
That's what? It's the Leaning Tower of Jesus.
Excuse me, can I have your attention, please? I'm Goofy. Hereby dub my son Maximilian, official navigator and head witchwaiter of this here road trip.
I can't remember, but they're not gonna laugh anymore. No more Maxie the Geek, no more Goof of the Week like before. Max, knock it off.
Are you ready to do it? All right, easy. Everybody's gonna kick this way. One kick, we go. Kick, then kick back, back. Two kicks front. 1, 2, slide. Let's try again this way. Kick, back, front, front, slide. Good. And take your arms like this. We're gonna grab. So even if you don't want to dance, you still gotta do the arms so I can see. Arms up, go. That's how you do it. We're gonna practice it again really fast. It goes faster. Go. Kick, kick, front, front, slide, grab. Other way we go. Front, back, front, front, slide. Grab it. All right. I think we got this. Are you ready?
Open up your eyes, take a look and be. Let the picture fixed in your memory. I'm driven by the rhythm like the beat of a heart. Until I start to stand out.
Scream! Yeah, I know. Come on. Hey, come on.
Some people settle for the typical thing. Living all their lives where you live the ways. It ain't a question of it, just a matter of time. Before I move to the front.
Hands up, side to side.
Once you're watching every move that I make,
Come on.
you gotta believe that I ride on my you know it's me.
Yeah! Come on!
If the sticky wheels always in the crease, I'm solely devoted to disturbing the peace. And I do it all again when I get it done. Until I become your number one. No method to the madness and no means of escape. Gonna break every rule of them all that shape. It ain't a question of how, just a matter of when. You get the message that I'm trying to send. I'm under respect, I'm looking over my head. And you know I'm coming all of the way to the end.
All right, let's go!
Stand up, I'm on the ground, even if I gotta shout out loud. Somebody's the only baby you see. Understand now, you know it's me.
All right, so what we're gonna do? Powerline, are you ready? Powerline's gonna do the wave starting on this side all the way out. We see you, little man. We see you. You gonna put your hands up, goes all the way across. Hands up and scream. Are you ready to try it? Let's go this way. Powerline is gonna point to you. Let's try this.
If I could make you stop and take a look at me.
So, some of you,
There's nothing that I
some of you weren't paying attention. We see you in the back. That's right. If you're in the back, make some noise. We're gonna start to the front, go all the way to the back. We see you. Are you ready? Let's try it. Front, back. All right, back to the front. Yes. One more time. Everybody scream. Yeah, come on.
All I need is every chance, a second thought, a second glass of food. I got whatever it takes. So
Kick.
stand out. I'm all around, even if I gotta shout out loud. Somebody the only face you see. Gonna stand out.
Julia, let's go. Kick.
Stand out. Stand out. Somebody the only face you see.
What?
Gonna stand out.
Here's the deal. This is what we're gonna do. Super easy. If you can move, we're gonna go this way. Super easy. We're gonna walk this way. Walk. Or move.